Welcome back to Links Gear. If you're looking for the perfect tech gifts to surprise someone this holiday season, then we've got 12 unique products that will definitely stand out under the tree. Of course, all the links will be in the description below. Let's jump into them. First off, we've got the Rolling Square Aircard. It's a sleek credit card sized tracker that's easy to slip into a wallet, bag, or even a laptop sleeve. It's perfect for keeping tabs on essential items through its real-time tracking and Bluetooth alerts, making it a great choice for anyone prone to misplacing things. It also operates on the Find My network, so it pairs easily with your iPhone. As far as laptop stands go, they're not usually very nice to look at. The native Union Desk laptop stand changes that. It's sleek, made from durable materials with a stylish, minimalist design, and it even comes with a tray to store your essentials. Perfect for anyone that wants a clean look on their desk. The Hoto electric screwdriver is a compact, cordless driver with an ergonomic and interestingly minimal design, perfect for quick fixes and small DIY projects. With adjustable torque settings, a built-in LED light, and rechargeable battery, it's an ideal tech-friendly tool for anyone who loves hands-on projects and compact designs. Next up is an iPhone case with a difference. The Bitmolab Bang case for iPhone combines solid protection with a bit of flair. The transparent look of the case is pretty neat, but the coolest part about the case is that it gives you an extra action button that you can customize to activate 3 different tasks, such as opening apps, setting reminders, or even locking your Tesla. Native Union's Classic Power Bank offers 5,000 milliamps of reliable charging on the go, housed in a minimalist, eco-friendly design. It works through MagSafe and can quickly charge your iPhone to 100%. This stylish power bank is perfect for tech enthusiasts who want a more sustainable charging option in a minimal, sleek design. The Lexar SL500 is a portable SSD offering high-speed data transfer in a super compact design. It's perfect to tag on the back of your iPhone to record directly to it. It also supports USB 2x2, which means 2,000 megabytes per second read and 1,800 megabytes per second write speeds, which is crazy for its small size. Next up, we've got the most unique dock you're likely to see. The Vobot Mini Dock is a tiny but mighty docking station that, as well as being a functional 7-in-1 dock, also has a screen that can display information such as to-dos, calendar, stocks, and a whole lot more. Ugmonk's Analog productivity system brings a refreshing analog approach to task management. Using beautiful daily task cards and a simple stand, it offers a tactile experience for organizing tasks without screens. Ideal for those looking to boost focus with a minimalist yet effective productivity tool. The Xiaomi Mi Light Bar enhances any workspace with adjustable brightness and color temperature, all controlled via remote. Easily mounted on top of a monitor, it reduces eye strain during late-night sessions, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone who spends long hours in front of a screen. Next up is the Ugreen Diginest Pro. It's a versatile, space-saving power station with multiple ports, including 3 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and 3 extra power outlets. Designed for fast charging and compatible with a wide range of devices, it's the perfect addition to any tech setup where power is needed in a compact form. It's the perfect addition to the end of any desk. Audio Engine's A 2+ speakers deliver impressive sound quality in a compact design. With a bunch of connectivity options including line-in, USB, and Bluetooth, these speakers bring rich, balanced audio to any setup, making them ideal for music lovers and audiophiles looking for a high-quality desktop sound experience. Let's face it, they also look brilliant as well. Lastly, we have the Ultra One keyboard, a premium fully customizable mechanical keyboard with a sleek, compact, and unique design. With hot swappable switches and programmable keys, it's perfect for keyboard enthusiasts or professionals who want a typing experience that combines precision with personalization. It may split opinions with keyboard enthusiasts, but there's no doubt the Ultra One has the perfect combination of form and function. And that wraps up our list of unique tech gifts for 2024's holiday season. If you want to see more, let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Links Gear, and stay tuned for more tech recommendations.